Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to cover my pre-market scanner layout and how it works. Our team uses Trade Ideas Pro for scanning the stock market for fast-moving opportunities. Trade Ideas Pro makes it easy to find high-quality setups fast and eliminate the BS. This layout we have is designed specifically for the pre-market session. In my experience, different times of day will require different filter settings for optimized results. For this layout, we chose to go with a mostly vertical look. This style allows for more results per alert window rather than a more horizontal approach. We will start from the top left and break down each scanner window and what we are expecting for results. In the top left, we have our low float momentum scanner. This scanner is designed to find the highest quality results that have the greatest potential for breakout momentum. Mostly focused on low float stocks under 25 million share float, this scanner will search for volume spikes in stocks making new highs. Once filters have been met, we will receive visual alerts showing the time of the alert, the stock symbol, the price when alerted, and the share float size. This information is critical to our day trading community as it allows us to quickly identify if the stock fits our strategy or not. By building this scanner specific to our higher quality filters, such as increased volume, float size under 25 million, and current change in price, we can now quickly identify potential setups. As volume starts to pour into these names, we get the alerts real time. This paired with our strategy rules allow us to make quick informed decisions while others are still assessing the conditions. Personally, I do not trade off the scanner alone. The scanner acts as my radar to filter out the lower quality alerts and focus on higher quality alerts only. This being said, just because a stock hits my scanner does not mean I trade it blindly. My strategy has requirements and rules that cannot always be found building a scanner. I let the scanner do the heavy lifting, and then it's up to me to see if the stock fits my strategy rules for entry or not. Typically, my best trades often trigger this scanner in the pre-market and offer the highest quality setups. Moving to the right of this scanner, we have our micro float squeeze momentum alert window. This scanner window is specifically designed to find stocks with the greatest potential for squeeze momentum. Squeeze momentum often occurs when short sellers have to sell their position due to certain conditions. One of the key conditions for this scanner is the float size. The float size filter is set to only search for stocks with a share float under 1 million. Having this lower float means there is less shares available for trading. Having less shares available for trading tends to come with wider spreads on the bid and ask and can sometimes squeeze shorts out of their position. Whenever we see large orders with a micro float, the price will fluctuate quickly. For many day traders, this offers both long and short opportunities due to the quick change in price. According to the confirmation strategy, these micro float alerts are paired with higher risk. Knowing this before taking a trade is key for my own success. I know when a stock hits this scanner that if I am trading it, I should reduce my size and stop level or avoid altogether. When day trading, making adjustments is key. By utilizing Trade Ideas Pro, we can now build the scanner to alert us of the conditions real time so we never miss an opportunity. We can build thousands of different combinations of filters to focus on the strategy that works best. You'll notice that the column for the float size is highlighted with a magenta color. This helps identify that this is a micro float and has that squeeze potential if paired with volume. I would consider this my second personal favorite scanner we have for our pre-market layout. Moving to the right, we have our stocks under $1 momentum scanner window. This scanner is designed to look for cheaper stocks moving with higher volume. All stocks on this scanner will have a price below $1. These cheaper stocks can really get cooking in the pre-market session and allow for some high percentage wins. Personally, I prefer to trade stocks with a price above $1. However, we have some team members that find success trading these cheaper stocks as well. You'll notice that we have the column for the price highlighted in red. This makes it easy to quickly identify that this stock price is below requirements for our high-quality setups and adjustments should be made. If trading a cheaper stock under $1, I always reduce size and tighten my stop level or avoid. To the right, we have our large float momentum scanner window. This scanner was designed to focus on stocks moving fast with a larger float. This scanner is searching for stocks with a float size below 150 million. This larger float size is considered a red flag to my strategy and will require adjustments if trading. Now, just because we spot red flags, this does not mean that I can't take trades on stocks that hit these scanners. These scanners are designed to identify conditions real-time fast and help mitigate risk. By focusing on mitigating risk, we can choose to make adjustments or avoid these lower quality type alerts. Top right, we have our gap list window. This window is constantly searching the pre-market for stocks that are gapping up from the previous close. This window will sort the results to show the stock gapping up the most at the top. We can quickly use this scanner window to identify the symbol, price, gap percentage, overall volume, and the share float size. Being a bullish momentum trader, this information is important. I can easily identify stocks gapping up and start to develop my game plan for the trade day. This is the first place I look when first entering the pre-market session. Below this, we have our SPY, TSLA, and NVDA window scanner. This scanner is designed to focus specifically on the 3 stocks listed. We use this scanner to detect strong price change in the large cap names. This helps identify the whole market sentiment when trading. Next, we have our Find It First scanner. This scanner was designed to identify potential breakout setups fast. When a stock hits this scanner, I quickly pull up the chart as it is meeting requirements for a possible high-quality setup. The results on this scanner can sometimes have lower volume as we are trying to detect potential fast. This means when I pull up the chart for a possible setup, I must ensure volume is paired with, or it could be a recipe for disaster. My number 1 personal rule is no volume, no trade. Below this, we have our Quick Info Volume Spotter scanner. This scanner window is similar to the Find It First scanner in the sense that it is looking to quickly identify potential high-quality setups. One of the major differences is that this scanner will have the strategy column built in, which helps identify what type of alert we are getting. Both the Find It First and the Quick Info Volume Spotter scanners are set to provide a single alert per ticker symbol. This Trade Idea Pro filter allows us to filter out multiple alerts and focus on a single high-quality alert at a time. At the bottom of the layout, we have our 1-minute volume leaders scanner. This scanner is designed to specifically look for stocks moving with high volume in the last minute. This allows us to quickly identify which stock has the most current volume and may provide the required liquidity for our specific strategy. We use Trade Ideas filters to highlight the row with a yellow color. We chose the color yellow to represent high volume. By color coding this row, we now can easily scan through thousands of tickers and identify which has the highest current volume. Just above, we can find our Squeeze Watch High Short Interest scanner. This scanner was designed to search for stocks that have a higher short float percentage. This higher short float percentage paired with volume can often provide those squeeze type of setups. This scanner helps quickly assess key information for us as day traders. Having this short interest information, we can adjust our strategy accordingly. You'll notice we highlighted the short interest column in magenta to represent that squeeze potential similar to our micro float scanner, which we covered earlier. I find highlighting the columns that are priority can be a great way to focus on what matters, our strategy. To the left, we have our Volume Spike Club scanner. This scanner is unique as it will only alert each ticker one time. If the stock meets all volume requirements, it will trigger the signal. This scanner window helps identify high volume movers pre-market. I use this scan to identify stocks with potential breaking news as higher volume tends to come with recent PR. I like to keep the clock in the bottom left of the layout, so I'm always aware of the current time. My strategy often is waiting for a candle to close before entering or exiting, so watching the seconds countdown can be helpful. Now, I am known as a scanner nerd in our community. I like to build new scans all the time, so this layout is subject to change. I'm a bit of a button presser, and I am sure with all the features Trade Ideas Pro has to offer, I will find more filter combinations. If you are interested in building your own scans, you can give it a try using our link in the description. In our educational community on Discord, we offer tutorials, weekly newsletters, strategy breakdown, real-time alerts, community support, and pretty much everything I was missing when I first started trading. We even code our own custom trading view indicators to show signals and overlays on our charts real time. If you're interested in joining, see the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.